Hello, it's Brandy Davison here. I'm a design team member, a sparkler with SpiegelMom Scraps, and I just wanted to quickly walk you through my sequins I'm playing with this month. They are part of the February pre-order, and I will link below to where they are also now available in the shop to buy as one-off sequin mixes. But just wanted to show them to you before I start playing because I'm just dying to get into them. So one of the collections this February is called Malibu Sunset. I'll make sure I get that up too. It's a little bit sunny here in Vancouver today, strangely, so I'm not used to dealing with the sunshine glare. But super, super cute. You've got little flowers, multiple size of kind of blue, pink, yellow. There's this little guy, I don't know, is that a flip-flop? Like, he is just so cute. He looks like a surfboard. Really, really cute. This set should be good. There's also this Fifth Avenue here. Bella down. Sorry, that is my dog. Wants to know why I'm not paying attention to her. This is Fifth Avenue, all kinds of pinks, some little pops of black, and these great green leaves. Love, love that one. Super cute, very pretty. Love the pops of black. This one is called Tropical Escapade. Very cool. This one I already have so many ideas for. I might need another set. This has tiny little lime green hearts, both the outsides and the insides of them, or the negative and the positive, however that's called. Blue sequins of all sizes, some pops of a dark blue sequin, these big pink purple ones, which I love, and then another big pink purple, and a few bits of yellow, either in flower or in sequin. Very cool. Love those. This one, oh my goodness, this is why I had to do my video this morning, even though my voice is a little bit off, because I need to play with this one like right now. This is called Foxy Roxy, yellows, blues, greens. It's got the wood sequins in there. It is just fabulous. I have so many ideas for this one. Should be really good. Sorry about my puppy. The other one here this weekend is called You're All Heart, and this is blacks and whites, multiple little sizes there, and then it's got these pink hearts in there. I'll make sure you can see a couple of them that just make the whole thing pop. I think this is really good. We have a free cut file, and we've got loads of free cut files, but one of them is called All My Heart, and it's just multiple hearts. Some have open space and some don't. I feel like these are a match made in heaven, so you might see that coming soon to the YouTube channel or any of our social medias or my social media. So yeah, so stay tuned. So that is what I'm playing with this month. Just wanted to pop in really quickly and show you what I've got. Thanks so much. I hope you're having a wonderful February.